There's all sorts of old stuff on my credit report. My name is all jacked up on that thing. I'm gonna show you how to fill out a identity dispute letter and clean up some of your personal info. We have the example here of John Consumer, who's got all sorts of incorrect data on his credit report. For the purposes of this dispute letter, we're going to assume that this is the correct spelling of his name and this is the correct address. Now we're going to take this information and put it into an identity dispute letter. My DIY system makes it easy. All you have to do is input the information and the DIY system will write the identity dispute letter for you. Put in the correct data. That way, any incorrect data will be disputed with this letter. Now that we got this thing filled out, we're going to create letter. Now that my DIY system has printed out this identity dispute letter, all we have to do is print it out, get it notarized, mail it certified mail with 2 forms of ID. The info on your 2 forms of ID need to match what's on your dispute letter. Do this for all 3 bureaus and you'll be able to clean up your personal information on your credit reports. Peace.